Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today in our 8th video in the I-22 series, we continue east beginning in Walker County, Alabama at exit 52, which leads to State Highway 118. As we approach exit 53, there are no signs indicating what's at this exit, just a sign indicating the exit number. Looking back at Google Street View, there were no signs back in 2014 either. The overpass marker indicates that this is Alabama Highway 102. At exit 57, which leads to State Highway 118, the former alignment of US 78 through Jasper, a guide sign points to the controlled city of Birmingham in the left 2 lanes but neglects to indicate that we're on I-22. It probably hasn't been updated since the official signing of this highway as I-22, so it just shows the US 78 and State Route 4 shields. The city of Jasper is the county seat of Walker County and has a population of 14,003. Jasper is the location of the Sci-Fi Channel's documentary show, Town of the Living Dead. In the TV series Lost, Jasper is the hometown of James Sawyer Ford. The city is also home to the annual Foothills Festival that happens every year in historic downtown Jasper Square. They hold live music and food vendors all around the square. We passed through a corner of the city of Cordova, incorporated in 1897. Cordova has a population of 2,014 and is not to be confused with Cordoba, which was a car made by Chrysler in the late 70s and early 80s. We conclude today's drive at exit 78, leading to the towns of Dora and Sumiton. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.